It was tens of miles wide, and forever changed history when it crashed into Earth, about 66 million years ago. The Chicxulub impactor, as it's known, was a plummeting asteroid or comet that left behind a crater off the coast of Mexico that spans 93 miles and goes 12 miles deep. Its devastating impact brought the reign of the dinosaurs to an abrupt and calamitous end, scientists say, by triggering their sudden mass extinction, along with the end of almost 3/4 of the plant and animal species then living on Earth. The enduring puzzle has always been where the asteroid or comet originated, and how it came to strike the Earth. And now a pair of Harvard researchers believe they have the answer. In a study published in Scientific Reports, Avi Loeb, Frank B. Baird Jr. professor of science at Harvard, and Amir Siraj, an astrophysics concentrator, put forth a new theory that could explain the origin and journey of this catastrophic object and others like it. Using statistical analysis and gravitational simulations, Loeb and Siraj say that a significant fraction of a type of comet, originating from the Oort cloud, a sphere of debris at the edge of the Solar System, was bumped off course by Jupiter's gravitational field during its orbit and sent close to the Sun, whose tidal force broke apart pieces of the rock. That increases the rate of comets like Chicxulub because these fragments cross the Earth's orbit and hit the planet once every 250 to 730 million years or so. During the Cretaceous extinction event, plants were less affected than animals because their seeds and pollen can survive harsh periods for longer. After the dinosaurs' extinction, flowering plants dominated Earth, continuing a process that had started in the Cretaceous, and continue to do so today, but all land animals weighing over 25 kilograms died out. What we're left with are basically the seeds of what we have today. Many of the major animal groups that are alive today were in place before the asteroid impact and they all suffered some level of extinction, but the lines that led to modern animals got through. All of the non-bird dinosaurs died out, but dinosaurs survived as birds. Some types of bird did go extinct, but the lineages that led to modern birds survived. Initially the survivors were small, with birds the first to experience evolution to larger sizes. There were a couple of lineages of gigantic birds, predatory and herbivorous, but they weren't around for very long and also went extinct. The near-Earth object was thought to pose a slight risk of impacting Earth in 2068, but now radar observations have ruled that out. After its discovery in 2004, asteroid 99942 Apophis had been identified as one of the most hazardous asteroids that could impact Earth. But that impact assessment changed, as astronomers tracked Apophis and its orbit became better determined. Now, the results from a new radar observation campaign combined with precise orbit analysis have helped astronomers conclude that there is no risk of Apophis impacting our planet for at least a century. Estimated to be about 1,100 feet, 340 meters, across, Apophis quickly gained notoriety as an asteroid that could pose a serious threat to Earth when astronomers predicted that it would come uncomfortably close in 2029. Thanks to additional observations of the near-Earth object, NEO, the risk of an impact in 2029 was later ruled out, as was the potential impact risk posed by another close approach in 2036. Until this month, however, a small chance of impact in 2068 still remained. When Apophis made a distant flyby of Earth around March 5, astronomers took the opportunity to use powerful radar observations to refine the estimate of its orbit around the Sun with extreme precision, enabling them to confidently rule out any impact risk in 2068 and long after.